In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete labels in Gmail. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure you can easily organize your inbox and manage your labels without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, you need to identify the label you want to edit or delete on your Gmail account. You can find your labels on the left sidebar of your Gmail interface. What you'll want to do is hover your mouse over the label you wish to change. As you do this, you'll notice three dots appear to the right of the label. These dots are crucial because they unlock a menu of options specific to that label. Once you've clicked on these three dots, a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, you need to select the Edit option. This brings up a window where you can modify the name of your label to whatever suits your needs best. Don't underestimate the power of a well-named label. A descriptive name helps you quickly identify and manage emails effectively, especially if you have multiple labels or if your inbox tends to get busy. After you've edited the label name to your satisfaction, the next step is to click on the Save button. This ensures that all your changes are recorded and the label is updated across your Gmail. You'll see your newly named label appear, which reflects the changes and immediately helps streamline your email management process. But what if you want to delete a label entirely? Perhaps you no longer use it or it's redundant. The method is similar. Begin by hovering over the label again and clicking the three dots. This time, instead of choosing Edit, you'll want to go down the menu and select Remove Label. Be aware that doing this will delete the label itself, but it doesn't delete the emails associated with it. Those emails will remain safely in your inbox or wherever they were originally stored. This dual approach of editing and removing labels is an excellent way to keep your Gmail account organized. Labels help categorize your emails, making it easier to find specific messages and prioritize tasks. Periodically revisiting your label setup can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure your inbox remains a tool rather than an obstacle. Remember, customizing and updating your labels is a simple yet efficient strategy to maintain clarity and order in your digital correspondence. If you followed along, you should now be equipped with the skills to edit and delete labels in Gmail like a pro. Keep practicing and soon enough, label management will be second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other helpful tips and tutorials on our channel.